Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Mad Mick here. The 350cc range has been out, the Zontes model now for a while. If you're an owner of the Zontes 350 model, then you would obviously check your engine oil level at frequent intervals, but you always possibly forget to check the coolant level. So this video has been made for all the Zontes 350 models if you're an owner. So you can check your coolant level. It will show you how to expel gases from the coolant once you've topped up your coolant level, and it shows each model on how to do it. There are two methods to expel air gases from the coolant once you've topped up the coolant, and this video shows you both methods. This video is for Zontes models, but you can use it for any model bike. I've got quite a few bikes I've had, and it's the same principle. So you can use it for your own motorcycle as well. So you don't have to specifically be a Zontes model. It can be any model, Yamaha, Suzuki, whatever. So please enjoy the video, like, subscribe to the channel. Lots of videos in our playlist, thousands of videos in our playlist on motorcycle maintenance. The videos are in English, Spanish, Chinese, French, and Arabic subtitled on all the videos, so please take a look at the playlist. The Mad Mick signing off. Happy bye for now.
I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate I attack.